Hello students, how are you? It's my second visual class, subject science, class 10th. In this class, I will tell you about the chemical reactions. In previous class, I told you about chemical equation and chemical reactions. But in your syllabus, there are 5 type of chemical reaction have been given. First of all, combination reaction, which means योगात्मक अभिक्रिया. Second is decomposition reaction, that means अपघटन या वियोजन अभिक्रिया. Third is displacement reaction, that means प्रतिस्थापन अभिक्रिया. Fourth is double displacement reaction, that means द्विविस्थापन अभिक्रिया. And next is oxidation and reduction reaction, that means ऑक्सीकरण और अपचयन अभिक्रिया. And these reactions combine with each other and form a special type of reaction that is called redox reaction. Means ऑक्सीडेशन और रिडक्शन अभिक्रियाएं एक साथ मिलती हैं और इनको कंबाइन फॉर्म में रेडॉक्स अभिक्रिया भी कहा जाता है. At first I would like to tell you that what are the identifications of these reactions. How can you know that this is the following type of reaction or particular type of reaction? At first we come on the topic combination reaction. It's one identity. It has only one identity. One or more than one substances react with each other, but a single product is formed. If the resultant is a single product, then you are confirmed that the given reaction is combination reaction. Now, decomposition reaction. It is a specific reaction in which the reactants is split into two or more parts. Then you are confirmed that the given reaction is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction has been further classified into 3 subcategories: thermal decomposition reaction, electrolytic decomposition reaction, and photolytic decomposition reaction. What is thermal reaction? When the decomposition of substances takes place due to heat, then the given reaction is thermal decomposition reaction. When the split down or breakdown of substances is due to supply of electricity, then you can say that it is electrolytic decomposition reaction. And when the breakdown of substances are due to sunlight or solar energy, then you can say that it is the photolytic decomposition reaction. The next reaction is displacement reaction. Displacement reaction is a specific type of reaction where less reactive element or ion is transferred by more reactive ion. In other words, it is said that in displacement reaction, more reactive ion displaces less reactive ion, or more reactive element displaces less reactive element. So it is called displacement reaction. The next is double displacement reaction, that means द्विविस्थापन अभिक्रिया. In this reaction, new compound is formed due to mutual exchange of ions of reactants. So it is called double displacement reaction. The next 2 reactions which are given in your syllabus are oxidation and reduction reactions, which means ऑक्सीकरण और अपचयन अभिक्रियाएं। Then question arises, what is oxidation reduction? When the number of oxygen atoms increases, then you can say that it is oxidation reduction. And when the number of hydrogen atom increases, then you can say that it is a reduction reaction. And if one element shows increasement in its valency, then you can say that it is oxidation reaction. And when an element shows decreasement in its valency, then you can say that there is reduction in its capacity and it is reduction reaction. And if you will combine both processes, then you will get a specific type of reaction that is called redox reaction, in which one compound shows reduction and one compound shows oxidation. Or you can say one element shows reduction and one element shows oxidation. That's all about the reactions which are given in your syllabus. Now I will tell the reactions in detail.